Over here.
Say your seat.
Hey, and I saved you a pudding.
Nope.
Hey, what's up? Hey, buddy. Check this out.
Someone has anger issues.
Sorry. You will be.
All right, let's not do this.
You think you can do whatever you want just because your name's Stronghold?
I'm sorry that my dad put your dad in jail.
Nobody talks about my father. Oh, it's so on.
Get ready to rumble!
Holy! Plus size!
I'm on it.
Round one, fight.
I'll kill you!
Aha! There you are!
Everyone get down!
You're dead to me.
I'm being asked now! You're gonna die, clown! Where's your sidekick? Right here.
Yeah.
Please don't hurt me.
Leave them alone!
He's strong.
I'm strong.
He's super strong.
Back!
You tripped me.
Stronghold! You're gonna pay for this!
Round two, fight.
Let's finish this.
What if I said it's not just her twin, it's her evil twin?
This Friday, you said?
But Julie, you dog.
Okay, come on! You want a piece of me?
Oh, that's bad.
Finish him!
Will! Will, hold on!
Oh, you just made a big mistake, buddy.